In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play different modes here in BloxStrike on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to do from the main menu is just hit play. It's going to pop up with a page that looks like this. We have like counter terrorists and of course terrorists. There's going to be that standard game mode right here. You may also see a list of game modes. It kind of depends on what is currently going on. Like this match is currently active right now. But you're going to want to select whatever game mode you want to play. There's standard matches, which is this. Of course, there's going to be special modes. And of course, just join the game. Once you're in, you can play normally based on that mode's rules. If you ever want to leave or switch modes, just open up that menu and go back to the home screen, just like so. Once you're on here, you can just hit play again and change to a different mode. Or just go to this mode section as well and change it in here. That is the entire process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.